Hello everyone, I will to read this article Google ranking factor leak key takeaway to rank higher by Alex Mania. A few weeks ago, a major leak occurred, occur, occur,
occurred, occurred, occurred,
occur, and over 2,500 page containing Google ranking factor we were revealed. Since then, I have been studying them and want to share my feeling with you. As you will see, it all comes down to engagement, creating quality content, including image, and constantly updating. PS, PS, if you have been following me here for a while, you will see that I already cover by of the ranking factor. When you're reading this, keep in mind that the leak did not expose everything. There is no exact formula that tells you how to rank any website. However, it gives a lot of insight into some of the best practices that Google is looking for when analyzing website. How the data was leaked. The leaked document come into the possession of Rank Fiskin, a well-known SEO expert who received them via an anonymous email. The sender claimed to have access to massive leak of API documentation from inside Google Search division. Google confirmed leaks. Since then, Google has already confirmed the leak is real. They also add that the data is taken out of context and even outdated. However, if you have been in SEO world for a while, you do know that many times what Google say and what Google does are two completely different things. Ranking system explained. The leak came a few months after Google was forced to briefly explain in court how their algorithm work. This came to known as Dodge files. This file reveal how Google ranked a page and was included in a slide presentation called the three pillar of ranking body anchor user interaction. While the exact weighting of each pillar remain confidential, this document emphasizes the creating high quality them that with we interact with and backlink. This should not during the trial. Google star that this was all information from 2016 that was longer used in their algorithm. Again, this statement needs to be taken with a grain of salt. Image one Image one of first thing that caught my eye was related to image. According the document, Google favor page that containing original page image. Moreover, this image should be related to the topic of the page. A few months ago, I wrote an article on Medium on how optimize your image for SEO. Originally and usefulness were two of the things I cover in there. Please check out as now is more relevant than ever. Good experience Good experience also play an important role based on information from the leak. Even though this is not new information, good experience means a lot of things from a user perspective. Let's go over them one by one. Website loading speed. Your website should load as fast as possible. Ideally, you want to go for a website that loads between 2 and 3 seconds. If the user has to wait any longer, he or she will probably hit the back button. The easiest way to improve your website speed is use a CDN. If you are running a WordPress website, this article will show you what you need to do to make it load faster. Navigation. When it comes to navigation, three elements are very important: top menu, footer, breadcrumbs. These are important for a bot, for a bot, for
both,
bot, 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 for a bot, user and search engine crawler. When it comes to top menu and the footer, you should make this that as simple and useful as possible. You want to make it as easy for user to find the information that are looking for. I usually add the most important categories to the top menu, and for each just a few sub menu item. I don't want user to of offer a menu and have the submenu fill half of the screen. I then use the footer to add the rest the important page that I can place under category. We have covered user. Let's move on the crawler. The menus are also called boilerplate content. When Google robot read a page, they also read all menu on the page, top, side, footer, and treat them as part of the content. Every time they go to new page, they have to read that boilerplate content over and over again. If your menu are huge, this will slow down the crawler and also make them believe that you have a lot of document content on your page. Below, you can see example some terrible menu. The top has only two items and a lot sub item, while the footer cover my entire screen. Breadcrumbs are very usable, but both user and crawler.
both,
Both, both,
both, both, both,
both, both,
both,
both user and crawler, as they tell them what the are your website. If you're running a website, adding breadcrumbs super easy. Check your tutorial how to do it. Page aesthetic and reliability. Lastly, a good experience also improve how things are presented on the page and how to easy to read them. This applies to mobile and desktop. So when assessing whether your page is easy to read, always start with mobile. Good reliability means having heading that are not too big, not too small letter. It also means having short sentence and small paragraph. Colors and font size also important. You want to make sure that the text is easy to read, even on smaller screen. Keep content up to date and relevant. Not surprisingly, content fresh is also important when analyzing a page. According to the leak, Google also checks when it was last updated. This is not the new information. As many of us already know that constantly updating content helps improve its ranking. Back January, I published an article here on Medium on how to edit an old page to revive its ranking. Google stores last 20 version of page. The new information here was that Google actually takes into account the last 20 version of the page when analyze it. It's huge. I don't know about you, but I had a few pages in the past that perform worse after an update, and they keep doing worse even after I refer back to old version. I know that all I have to do is go to back and make to 19 new smaller edits to it. Entity and salience. For over cek CCTV dulu guys. Entities and salience. For over a decade, Google has placed a bigger emphasis on entities rather than keyword. Entities are specific, unique, and distinguishable.
distinguishable,
Distinguishable things or concept. Google use this better to understand and organize information. This is not new information, but accordingly to the leak, Google also takes into account entity salience. Entity salience means how important Google thinks a particular entity is on a page. The more important that entity is, the better Google can connect your page to different queries. Entity salience is pretty complex principle that can be explained in just a few lines. Why this is why I am currently working an article about them that I will publish on Medium it in the coming weeks. It will also explain how write the article so that Google understand what the main entity is. Impression and clicks. The this finding was also somewhat of a surprise. The documents show that beside the click impression are also important. Impression are how many times your page appear on the search result page. So Google takes both clicks and impression into account when ranking website. This mean that the more impression you get, the higher you will rank eventually. Getting more impression is simple. All you need to do is write more and publish more. But don't just write whatever goes to your mind. It should be relate an overall topic of your website. So before you start writing, create a topic map first. This will get you and make writing much easier and faster. Link. The next factor found in the leak completely took me by surprise. According to the document, the best backlink are always the newest one. Apparently, a backlink you got last week from mediocre website is more important than one that you got from Forbes 5 years ago. Now that I'm reading this article, it actually makes sense if we think about from the update content perspective. That's 5 year old Forbes article may not be up to date. On the other hand, the article published last week has a lot more relevant information. When it comes to links, freshness is not only important factor, relevancy is also crucial. A while back, I wrote an article here on Medium explaining how I pick website for backlink spam. Everyone knows that spam is bad thing and can affect SEO effort. And this again confirmed by the leak that took place last month. But what is spam exactly? Nowadays, spam can take many different forms. This first of all, you should avoid using spoon content. This also means using out of the box AI content. I invented this first to refer AI content generated through simple prompts that are then added to the page as is. For example, you tell the ChatGPT to write article how to make lemonade and publish exactly what the AI tools give to you. This pun content the AI talk the content that it previously read and reword it for you. Spam also keyword stuffing. Nowadays, edit the main keyword as many times as possible, and all variation is considered spam. Writing like this will only decrease the quality of content, and nobody will read it. And this takes us to this judge files in which Google explain how user interact over helping determine how useful a website is, and this is in turn affect ranking. Lastly, running too many ads on your page is considered spam as well. Why? The user be too busy clicking and closing the ads rather than reading information. This again less as the Dutch file. I understand that running ads how to some website make money, but recently I feel this gotten out of hand. I want to share you an example a website here in Romania that become readable on website. Just look at what a user has to deal with if they want to read information. In conclusion, the leak showed that if you want to better change of ranking, you need to put some emphasis on both high quality content and user experience. This done by having a good UX, load speed, original and relevant image, and original content. You should also update your all content frequently and also publish new one constantly to get as many impression as website is time. Impression can help you rank higher. Lastly, link are also important. The newer the better. Want to make marketing tools? Subscribe. Okay, thank you.